guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how we are going to deploy our first application using AWS. Okay, so this is my AWS console. Here you can see there is no instance running, so I'll launch the instance first. I can give any name. You can also provide any name of your application. My railway application. This is a static website which we are going to host or deploy. I have given the name my railway application. Okay, yeah, so keep this as it is. Here in instance type, as this is the free tier account, so the two tier eligible. One is T3 micro and T3 small. T3 micro is basically we use for small application, and T3 small is for medium size of application. So I'll go with the T3 micro. Why? Because my website is static website, a single page website, so this will be better for me. Here you have to provide a key pair login, which is basically used for security purpose whenever you are going to log into this AWS server using MobiXtem or PuTTY. Yeah, so I have already created one, but I'll create a new one only. I'll give one name of railway PEM. So yeah, you have to select the RSA and .pem file. Okay, and you have to click on create key pair. As of now, the network setting you keep as it is. I'll explain in my upcoming videos what is the network settings and all. So now I'll launch my instance. Okay, it takes a few seconds. Yeah, you can see our instance is launched. Okay, and this is our instance ID. I'll click on this instance ID. See here, you can check our instance state. It is showing running, and we have two IPs. One is public IP and another one is private IP. What is public IP, what is private IP, I'll explain in my upcoming videos. As of now, you just copy this public IP, and you can choose any of your specific tool. MobiXtem is there, PuTTY is there, to SSH for SSH into the AWS server. I'll go with MobiXtem. Okay, I have to SSH. In remote host, I have to provide the IP, public IP, which I have copied, and specify username. I'll give EC2 user. As you know that it is a Linux server, so I'm providing EC2 user. For Ubuntu, you can provide Ubuntu, and for for different operating system, the username will be different. In advanced SSH setting, I have to provide the generated PEM, which is railway PEM, which I have created. Okay, and I have to click on OK. I have to click on accept. Yeah, I'm logging into my AWS server. So you can see here, you are now is EC2 user. You have to change your user, sudo su hyphen. So now you will become the root user. Okay, once you will become the root user, you have to first install your git. Why? Because you are going to use the git repo URL. So that is why the command for installing it is sudo yum install git -y. I'll enter this. This will take some time and it will install the git. Yeah, it is installing. Yeah, you can see here it is showing the complete, means the git is installed. Next, you have to install Nginx web server, which is basically used to accept the request and send the response. So the command for Nginx installation is sudo yum install Nginx funwy. Yeah, Nginx is installed. Now you can check sudo yum the status of Nginx, whether it is running or not. There is one command sudo systemctl status Nginx. Yeah, here you can see that it is not working. It is the mode is inactive. You have to make it active. So yeah, sudo systemctl enable Nginx. This is the command to enable the Nginx, and after that you have to start it. Ctl start Nginx. Okay, I'll again check the status, whether it is working in active mode or inactive mode only. Same one, sudo systemctl status Nginx. Yeah, now you can see it is in active or running mode, means our Nginx web server is running properly. Now I'll clone my code which I wanted to deploy, which is basically git repo URL. Yeah, I have already taken this. I'll copy from here and I'll clone this. Yeah, it is cloning. Yeah, it is cloned. Now you can check. You have to enter ls. See here, Nginx is there. Okay, so you can also check the you can see here there is one index.html file is there, script.js file is there. Okay, so code is cloned fine. Before now you have to move this into the Nginx HTML path. So I'll take back, and you can check here. First you go cd into the Nginx path, user share HTML Nginx HTML. This is basically a default path of Nginx web server. This will be remains constant or common. Okay, let's see. Here you have some files, so you have to delete these all files first, and then we will move our application files here. To remove, there is a command rm star -rf. You can check now you have removed all the files. Again you just come back, do ls, move to your Nginx project, sorry, ls cd Nginx. Okay, move into the site. Here these files you have to move into the Nginx path. Okay, how do you move? This command sudo cp. You are moving everything, means all the files, means you have to give the star -rf for permission, and you have to enter the path. I'll copy the path from here. Okay, this /m. Okay, I remove. Okay, I successfully copied. Okay, yeah, now after moving the files to the Nginx path, we have to check the security group first, whether we have allowed the access in the security group. See, this is my running instance. I'll do one thing. Yeah, I'll only showcase the running one. The terminated and stopped one, it will not showcase. Okay, click on this, come to the security tab, and yeah, here you can check security groups. In the security groups you can see here there is only one port is configured, SSH port 22. This port is basically used to log into the AWS server. Means here we have SSH into this AWS server. If it is not configured, that means it is not there in the security group. Okay, and we have to edit this inbound rule. We have to add a new rule where I'll allow all traffic. Okay, and this will be IPv4 traffic. So our IP will be IPv4. So users can access our website on the browser through IPv4. I'll save the rule. Okay, and now I'll copy my instance public IP and I'll check whether my application is deployed or not. Yeah, here you can see we have successfully deployed our static website, okay, through Nginx. So in my next videos I will show how we can deploy our application through Jenkins, how we can create a CI/CD pipeline for big applications. If you like this video, please comment me, uh, so I'll create another video for that. Okay, thanks for watching and subscribe my channel.